DNA is like the blueprint of life, intricately woven into every living organism. It's fascinating to think that this tiny molecule, made up of just four building blocks, adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine, holds the secrets to our traits. Each person has about 20,000 to 25,000 genes, and these genes are responsible for everything from the color of our eyes to our susceptibility to certain diseases. Let's dive into how DNA influences traits. First, we have dominant and recessive genes. Think of dominant genes as the loud voices in a crowd. If you inherit a dominant gene for brown eyes from one parent, it will likely overshadow a recessive gene for blue eyes from the other. This is why you might see a family where everyone has brown eyes, even if one grandparent had blue. It's all about which genes get to take the spotlight. Then there's the concept of polygenic traits. These are traits influenced by multiple genes like height or skin color. Imagine a beautiful tapestry where each thread represents a different gene contributing to the overall picture. That's how complex traits are formed. It's not just one gene at play, it's a symphony of many working together. But DNA doesn't just dictate our physical traits. It also plays a role in our behaviors and even our intelligence. Studies have shown that certain genetic variations can influence how we respond to stress or how we process information. It's like having a set of instructions that can guide our reactions and preferences, although environment and experiences also play a crucial role. Speaking of environment, let's talk about epigenetics. This is where things get really interesting. Epigenetics is the study of how external factors can turn genes on or off without changing the DNA sequence itself. For instance, if you're exposed to certain chemicals or even stress, it can lead to changes in how your genes express themselves. This means that our lifestyle choices, diet, and even our social interactions can influence how our DNA manifests in our traits. And here's a mind-boggling fact. Identical twins share the same DNA, yet they can have different traits. This is largely due to epigenetic factors. One twin might be more outgoing, while the other is more reserved, all because of different life experiences and environments. It's a reminder that while our DNA sets the stage, it's our life story that shapes the performance. In the realm of health, understanding how DNA influences traits has profound implications. Genetic testing can reveal predispositions to certain conditions, allowing us to make informed choices about our health. Imagine knowing you have a higher risk for a disease. You could take proactive steps to mitigate that risk, like adjusting your diet or increasing exercise. So, the next time you look in the mirror or notice a trait that runs in your family, remember that it's all tied back to the intricate dance of DNA. It's a remarkable system that not only defines who we are, but also connects us to our ancestors and the world around us. The more we learn about DNA, the more we realize how much of our lives are influenced by this microscopic code. It's a journey of discovery that continues to unfold, revealing the complexities of life itself.